Hi everyone, here we've got Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra, and let me share with you how to activate auto updates on this device. So firstly, we have to find and open the settings, so let's do it. And now we have to find the developer options. They should be under the About Phone, but if you cannot see them, just like in my case, then let's tap on About Phone. We have to activate them. So let's enter the software info and find the build number. And all you have to do right now is simply keep tapping on it until you will see that you're in a developer mode. Let's draw the pattern if you have one, and as you can see, the developer mode has been enabled, has been activated. So now let's get back to the general settings, and under About Phone we've got developer options, so let's enter. And as you can see here, we've got a lot of actually advanced settings which we can customize, so all we have to do right now is simply find the auto update system option. As you can see, in my case it is turned on. If you have the switcher which looks like this, then all you have to do is simply tap on it in order to turn it on, so from now on your device will apply updates when the phone restarts. So well, actually that's all. This is how to activate auto updates in your Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.